Alrighty guys, welcome back to another day in the life. Starting this off different today because look at this thing. Ooh, fancy. Yeah, this thing is gonna look good in my truck. So this is fully blacked out dash. So this right here, this here is gonna be speedometer. Down there is gonna be like steering wheel. That's my radio. And then that part's gonna be where my headlight switches will be. Oh, heck yeah, man. This is legit. Alright, alrighty, we're on our way back to my house, or my grandparents' house, really. Not my house, we were just at my house. So we are gonna go ahead and get a new dash on. Because if you're already looking at it, I don't have a dash basically. So that's awesome. And literally this can just come off just like so. So it needs one. They're pretty bad. So yeah, we're just gonna go to my house and then we're gonna get a new dash. I'm kind of sad now because I was like, oh, I need to record a video clip of this copyright. This is a good song, man. Y'all did this to me. I'm kidding, it's fine. But alrighty, we're here. Let me grab this stuff. I'm gonna grab this dash real fast. I need to put my keys away. Yeah. We are probably gonna start taking everything out, including a headlight switch, because that needs to come off because that obviously didn't come with one. So we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna see what Grandpa's doing because that's good fun. I have you in 60 FPS because I'm gonna do a time lapse because it'll look weird in 24 FPS. But we are going to move this out of the way and then we're gonna set you all right here. Alrighty guys, it is done. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Dude, this is so cool. Alright, so we have our new dash. We are getting a radio bezel too, so we're gonna get rid of this ugly crap, and it also just falls out like, yeah, so definitely not great. But dude, it looks super nice. It actually looks amazing. It's so cool. All right, here, let's turn everything on to see if everything still works because I had to unplug wires and stuff. Hell yeah, brother. Nice. All right. Okay, I gotta grab all this trash and throw it out, so we're gonna drive to the dumpster fast. Next up, new exhaust. There's mattresses. The reason why I said I wanted to get a new exhaust is because just it sounds nice. It doesn't sound that bad for a V6. It does not sound that bad. That is pretty good. Alright, let's do this right now. Look at this piece of crap. That was what used to be there. Now it's trash. Oh, it's so cool, man. I love that. It gets hot in Oklahoma, dude. And well, probably next thing is a speedometer, because it half works and then it also doesn't work. We gotta turn this thing on and we start vacuuming. Yeah! Yeah! I have no idea what that was. Yeah! Yeah! Dying. That's how it works. Alright, now I'm just joyriding everywhere. Like, so I'm like so happy with what I did to this truck. It's so nice. It looks so cool. What are you doing, buddy? I wasn't doing nothing. That was a giant log. I'm happy I dodged that. But anyway, for the rest of the day, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Hey, and by the way, why are you not recording with the camera, Mike? What happened, man? The camera's lens broke, so it's not cracked or anything. It's just that literally the part that like comes out whenever you zoom on it, it fell out. So it's a broken camera. So I'm using an iPhone again for my videos. Heck yeah, brother! But at least I have a better iPhone. It doesn't look as bad, so it's cool. I love it. It's so nice. It's so cool. And literally, I looked out too because the whole back part as well is not like totally cracked either. It actually still looks nice. All right, what a day, man. Wow. Work was tough. Let me tell you about it. So around 6:30, I would say 6 o'clock, it started to get extremely busy. And the reason why is because there is a rodeo going on and nobody's wanting to make dinner or anything like that, plan anything out. So they're all wanting pizzas, right? So there are many that pop up. Many, I mean, so many. We worked our effing booties off for everybody here in town who wanted a pizza at the Broadway Pizza Hut. And dude, yeah, that was nuts. Can't fucking see. Yeah. Yeah, man, that was freaking crazy. So basically what happened is that there were a ton of orders, and we literally had to call Brandon in, which is the big boss of the place, the GM, and he had to help us out. And he quickly realized why we did need help. So it was very hectic, and we eventually got it done. But man, it lasted from 6 o'clock to 7:30 of non-stop orders. Non-stop. Anytime you need to complete one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, crap. There is literally another one. It was insane. But we eventually got it. So yeah. But man, was it a hectic day. Pretty crazy. There's also multiple diamonds that came in too. I had to leave because I'm basically an hour past the time time. I should have been clocked out. So, anyway, yeah, that was pretty crazy. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end it off here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more if you want to see more, of course. And yeah, I'll catch you guys with another video. I realized I didn't even show my face one time this whole video. Hi, it's me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later with another video. I don't know when. Random. That's when. Random. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.